to be doing a part 2 of this little mini series that I came up with. I posted yesterday leaving my beauty blender in Coca-Cola for 3 months. So if you guys want to see that, it'll be at the top of the description box down below to see what happened to it after those months. I'm gonna be leaving my second beauty blender in salt for 3 months. Y'all, I'd appreciate a like for this video because I just potentially wasted 2 beauty blenders. So if you guys like this video and subscribe, it'll be like, oh, I did something good. People wanted to see it and they're coming back for more. So I'm gonna be using this black beauty blender because it's a good contrast of black and white. All right, here's the black beauty blender. Nice and squishy like. Should I wet it? I feel like I should wet it just slightly. I wet it just slightly so it enlarged a little bit. I've got you trapped. Now we got this salt. It was $1.97 at Walmart. We're excited for that. Okay, wait, what? Pull here. I can't, I have gel nails. What the f— oh my god, it's already falling. What am I doing this for? It's snowing on the beauty blender. You a salty hoe, girl. My arm's getting sore. Oh, that's a lot of salt. I feel like nothing's gonna happen to this beauty blender. So the same thing as yesterday, beforehand, comment down below what do you think is gonna happen to this in the months coming up. So let's put this top on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of this like masking tape and I'm gonna write the date and time. Saturday, April 28th at 2:23 p.m. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a couple months here. Hi! It is 10:36 on July 28th, and if you watched yesterday's video, you're probably like, respond to your mom. Alright guys, let's check this out. So here, this is, 3 months, hey? Why would it do that?
I feel like I should wet it just slightly.
There it is. Unless that's something growing in there. Could you imagine? Why would something be growing in there? Like, honestly, my brain. Bye. That stinks. That smells like chemicals. That smells like almost like embalming fluid. It's hard as a rock. I need an ice chipper. I thought this was gonna be a good idea. Where is it? Am I gonna stab it? I'm getting salt everywhere. This is a lot of work. I see it, I see it, I see it. Okay, let's chip away like we're fucking discovering a fossil. Hello, my precious. I've uncovered the fossil. Why am I laughing? Because it looks the same. Okay, it looks the exact same. Nice and squishy, porous. It smells chemically. I don't know if the salt did that. I don't feel like it smelled like that before. I feel like this was a pointless video. At least we got to know, like, we're interested. We want to know what would happen if you put this in salt for 3 months, and it does nothing. So it just gives you like a little project to work on to get it out. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The more you know. Now you know. Now you are more seasoned for the world. If you're ever in Sephora and your friend's like, oh, I need a new beauty blender, be like, I know what happens if you leave that in salt for 3 months, and I know what happens if you leave that in Coca-Cola for 3 months, and she or he is gonna turn to you and say, I don't care. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was interesting for you. I literally waited so long for I feel like nothing, but whatever. Subscribe if you guys want to see more, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye! Woo!